Okay, so here is our Winchester Super X Subsonic. This is 45 grains. And next is 40 grains. This here is Spear Gold Dot. This is a personal defense load made for the short pistols, even though you can use these other ones here that are designed for rifles mostly. So there it is, Spear Gold Dot, 40 grain. And you can see on this one, it's got a nickel jacket or a nickel plating on the shell. And what that does is that aids in ejecting shells. If you're in an emergency, you need to reload, because brass can sometimes get sticky when you store it. Sometimes it gets a little sticky because it's not polished, whereas this is polished all the time, so it's more likely to slide out. Okay, and then the next one is CCI Maximag, 40 grain. And this is kind of like I suppose you call it a round nose, flat nose type full metal jacket, 40 grains. So there's that one. The next one is a 30 grain Federal Spear TNT. 30 grains, once again, 30 grains. And I noticed the hollow point on this is a little bigger than that spear. .30 grains, Federal Spear TNT. This one might be worth trying in ballistics gel and stuff like that. It's a lighter load, so it's going to be going probably well over 1,300 feet per second in a 1 7/8 inch barrel, like on my Ruger LC RX 6-shot revolver. Okay, and then the last one here is a Hornady VMAX. This is a 30 grain right here. And there they are. Thanks for watching.